everyone. Thanks for joining us for another week of Take Me to the River. So today we are in Ballinger Park, which, if you know where it is, the river behind us actually isn't the Rouge, but the Detroit River today. We're actually right by the mouth of the Rouge River. There's a DTE plant just to the north of us, and just beyond that is right where the Rouge River starts. So Belanger Park is located in the city located in Rouge River. See this big old freight going down the Detroit River? I'm sorry, Belanger Park is in the city of River Rouge. Rouge River is the body of water that we know and love. We're featuring this today because it offers the closest view of where we'll be starting our UnCruise boat tour on August 11th. It has a boat launch we often use at the end of paddling trips on the Rouge, as it's less than a half a mile from the mouth. Ballinger Park is a 9.5 acre city of Rouge River Park in an industrial area that offers public access to the Detroit River for fishing, boating, and picnicking. We have some fishermen out today in a beautiful morning. It includes a waterfront gazebo, 2 picnic pavilions, a walking path surrounding a play area for children, restrooms, and clearly a marvelous view of downtown freight traffic. It is also home to a functioning lighthouse built in 2003 as a memorial to lost Great Lake Mariners. Plans are in place to improve the restrooms and add an accessible kayak launch as well. Big changes are coming to the area around Ballinger Park in the coming years. The River Rouge coal burning plant adjacent to Ballinger Park is set to shut down in 2022 after almost 70 years of service. This means the loss of a third of the tax revenues for the city of River Rouge and the loss of as many as 150 jobs. But it also means an end to the 1.8 million pounds of carbon dioxide released by the plant, as well as barium, hydrogen, chloride, and fluoride, lead, and mercury. Also, U.S. Steel on nearby Zug Island, just to the north of here, announced the idling of their production, identifiably starting April of 2020 of this year. And the Gordie Howe International Bridge will be completed in 2024 on the other side of Zug Island from Ballinger Park. Because the park offers a great view of the bridge site, a viewing platform is going to be added so that park users can watch the bridge being built. And if you haven't looked up pictures of it, it looks like it's going to be beautiful. They're planning on a webcam on the lighthouse to live stream the construction, and then afterwards they'll have a time-lapse video for historical record. Bike and pedestrians will be allowed on the new International Bridge and connect to Jefferson. And we'll just take a moment and take in the beautiful Detroit River. A great place for kayaking, fishing, or just taking in the scenery. And again, you can join us on our free virtual kayak trip and hear stories all about this site and others along the Rouge River. The Rouge UnCruise kicks off Tuesday, August 11th. There are 5 total nights of adventuring along the Rouge River. We'd love to have you join us for all the fun. And to learn more, of course, and to register, go to therouge.org. All the real sounds mixed with the beautiful robins calling. Thank you again for joining us on another week of Take Me to the River. Be sure to join us for our virtual kayak tour, August 11th. And we will see you next week on another episode of Take Me to the River. You guys have a great day. Bye.